Welcome back, and this is how to fix a squeaky fridge door. So, guys, first is open and close the fridge slowly to pinpoint which hinge is squeaking. And after that, you can just simply clean the hinges by wiping away dirt, dust, or food residue around the hinge area. And a clean surface helps the lubricant work better. Now, for applying lubricant, you could use a food safe silicone spray or petroleum jelly. And guys, avoid the regular WD 40 inside the kitchen and just simply apply a small amount directly to the hinge pins and moving parts. And after that, you can just simply go ahead and work on it by opening and closing the fridge door several times so the lubricant spreads evenly. And after that, just simply wipe off any excess to keep the area clean, and the squeak should now be gone, and your fridge door will move smoothly. There you go. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.